bikini clad. I guess you know she drives the guys all mad. With a cord in hand at the beach every day, just laying in the sun, catching a few rays.
I just love to surf.
She's got long blonde hair with a cute little hip, and a real brown tan with a cherry red lips. Now the guys start to dig her when she sways, but she's just trying to catch a few rays.
It's my wig when it comes to surf.
On the beach every day with transistor in hand, she's soaking up the rays.
So my next build is this one here, the Hawk Classics, Silly Surfers, and the Beach Bunny Catchin Rays. I'm just working on it here in the garage. We got it mocked up. I got all the sub-assemblies together, and it's going together quite well. Very little seam work so far. It's going to be fun to paint, and stay tuned. Well, it's another nice sunny day here in the garage. As you know, I'm working on the Hawk Classics Silly Surfers Beach Bunny kit, and I thought, while I'm at it, I think I'm going to do a second one, the Woody on a Safari kit. So I started yesterday with the sub-assemblies. There's the two kits there. That's the base. The thing to point with, there's the base there, and a couple of surfboards and a few smaller parts and a seat. So I've got some of the sub-assemblies done, the front wheels here, the rear wheels, radiator, bumper, the horn. It's all these are two pieces, two halves. The rear axle, there's a lantern, goes on the back. These are the, I guess, the headers. The body parts, two-piece head and arm and body, and the left hand holding onto the steering wheel. And I've got the car body started here. It's basically a couple of parts. Not very well organized yet. So there's two halves running along, one here and one here. So I glued them on, and I glued on the tailgate. Because it's a cartoon type figure, when he's hitting the brakes, one wheel's off the ground and the body of the vehicle is all twisted up. As you can see here, it's all cockeyed. And then these here are the front axles. I'll have to figure out where they go on the base once I get the tires and everything dry fitted. This here is the base, the floor of the car. So I'll be putting that in, and then I'll start priming and painting, and then the seat will go in. And the next part is trying to choose the colors that I want for these things. So again, stay tuned.
I just love to surf.
She's got long